Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. Come on.
You like me?
Your turn, Dada.
It's my turn now. I got yellow too. Maybe I will get this. Oh, fall! Oh no!
Welcome to Kinkin's Planet.
Hi guys!
Welcome back to
our channel.
Last night we playing the Crocodile Teach Challenge.
And today we're going to play the tumbling tower.
Not in the table, be careful down, guys.
Okay, so what's the rule for this one?
You need to roll the dice.
You need to roll the dice and...
Why have a dice?
Oh yeah, we do. You need to roll the dice and whatever you get, what color you get, you'll take it out from the tower. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
There's the dice up there. How is the dice?
We bought it from...
Toy store.
No.
Walmart.
At
Walmart.
Walmart.
Oh, there's this dice.
Here's the dice.
Stop. No,
Hang on. Okay, let's call who? Caleb. Let's call who? Just wait, don't touch it. Dada. Call Dada.
Dada.
Okay. How am I going to do this? I don't know. Okay. Put it
Maybe we'll hold it.
and put it like that.
Oh, it looks like a tower.
I know. Okay. Okay, roll the dice.
Okay. I got blue.
Okay, so you'll get blue.
Slowly.
Just like this. No.
Slowly.
You have
Start
to do
in
like
the
that.
middle.
Start in the middle. Always start in the middle. Because it's the... Oh. Okay, put it on top.
Okay.
Put it on top. Should be like this.
Okay.
It's like a Jenga, guys.
It's your turn.
Like a Uno Stago. Okay, I got red.
I fall down.
Oh,
See,
it's my
Dada.
turn now.
I hope you got rainbow
It's blue.
Oh no, it's
like me.
Like Dada.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, it's Caleb's turn.
Okay.
oh,
Yellow. You got yellow. You got yellow.
Okay.
No, the middle.
Take it in the middle. Take it in the
Middle. Here.
How many more? Oh, battery.
Put it in the red.
Okay.
I'll put it in the red. I'll put it at the red.
Okay. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. Come on.
You like me?
Your turn, Dada.
It's my turn now. I got yellow too. Maybe I will get this. Oh, fall!
Dada!
Let's do it!
It's Mommy and Caleb.
Let's build it again.
Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you for
I want
watching
to
our
do-
channel. Yeah, you have to say bye first.
Bye!
Please.
Like and subscribe a button. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Always remember.
And rise up.
No. Always remember.
Be kind.
Be kind. Bye.
I'll do it. Please like and subscribe my channel. And be kind. Bye bye.